Now, in the last video of this course, we looked at how we could initialize and set up our Go project using the Go CLI and the Git CLI. Now, as we make our way through this course, there are going to be additional dependencies that you're going to need to ensure that you also have installed on your local development machine. Now, the first of which is Docker. So let's run docker-v, and as you can see, I've got version 20.10.7 installed. You're also going to need to ensure that you have Docker Compose up and running successfully. As you can see, I've got 1.29.2 here. And we're also going to be using a thing called task files in order to do handy things like linting, building, and running our Go application. Now, in the text description of this video down below, I'm going to be leaving a link to how you can install all of these different tools on your local machine. So make sure you follow them and you have everything set up so that you can follow this course through without any issues.